Ooh. When I'm lost, staring down the barrel of a gun, 'cause my past choices lead someone to come undone and wanna end my life. When I'm fighting for my life, standing in the eye of the storm, bending but not breaking my form. You are the lighthouse on the shore, guiding me back home like many times before. Through the lightning and thunder, through the sleet and hail, as my heart is torn asunder and my life is spared, but yet again, God, you're my sunshine after the rain. You're a defibrilator recharging my heart after pain. You're the one powering up my soul, making me whole. And when the world comes at me like an angry bull, you're the Matador flanking your gate, making everyone charge away, making the upset opinions fade away, taking charge of the situation again and again, again and again, again and again. God, you're my sunshine after the rain. When the clouds wanna close in on me, when the skies won't open up to let me feel your warmth and all your good sunlight, I know you're the wind beneath my wings, like the song, but you were there all along, allowing me to soar to new heights, allowing me to soar to new heights, encompassing what is right. Through the lightning and thunder, through the sleet and hail, as my heart is torn asunder and my life is spared, but yet again, God, you're my sunshine after the rain. You're a defibrilator recharging my heart after pain. You're the one powering up my soul, making me whole. And when the world comes at me like an angry bull, you're the Matador flanking your gate, making everyone charge away, making the upset opinions fade away, taking charge of the situation again and again, again and again. And you're the one and only, you're the one and only, yeah. You're the one and only, you're the one and only, keeping me whole and holy, never alone or even lonely. And that's because I still believe in you. And you really know me, you know me.